Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today I'm going to be recapping on another video I did, making a simple box, should be somewhere around here, and I'll be honest, it absolutely failed. If you watch that video it's like shit. Yeah, that box was shit, but I was having problems with my blade and I used a cheap blade, some £10 blade, and I don't advise it. So I'm going to try and make a box today. It's going to be the same miter joints and then a rabbet along the top and bottom to put a piece of wood in, and that's it. It's a really simple box and really something to do if you just got a table saw. You could even do it with a plane if you know, persistent enough, but I'm going to use a table saw. I hope you all enjoyed the video. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. This turned out a whole lot better than the first one did, but it's not perfect by any stretch of the imagination. I could really do with practicing my hinges, you know, in setting them and chiseling out the, yeah, could really do with doing that, practicing on that. When I take it through the table, so I've got to learn to keep it straight when I do all these sides, because I end up cutting into it a bit and it doesn't look as great. But yeah, it went together really nice fit. The miters went lovely, the rabbits went really nice, the top went into it really nice. Not much, it's a really nice fit, and I am really happy with this now. So this is a video I'm happy to publish, unlike the other one, which I just wanted some content up for the channel. But yeah, I'm really happy with this one. I hope you all enjoy it, and I hope you try it too. It's not really hard, it's really not. You can do it in a day. I did all the engraving, carving out, and put my JR in there, and put C for my brother, and yeah, JR, and I did all that. But yeah, it's only took me a day generally. Most of it's just waiting for the milliput to dry. But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. Also, follow my links: Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. All them links will be in the description below. Why don't you go check out my playlist with knife making, woodworking, metalworking. Surely there's something down there that you'll enjoy and want to try out. Also, you want to check out more examples of my work, please feel free to check me out at www.jrwoodandmetal.co.uk. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.